Hey everybody, on this video, got two of these Schlage 5-pin cores. These are actual Schlage brand cores that would come out of something like this. I just found these two loose in a box of parts. They look like they're new. Not sure what they're doing in there. I have no keys to them. So I went ahead and just I took the detent out of this so I can take it apart easily without accidentally locking it back, and stuck it in this old housing here just so I got something to hang on to. And I'm going to actually pick it and then rekey it to this key. I've already laid the pins out to match that key. Normally wouldn't bother doing it this way. Normally we just shim it open, but since we're lock picking channel, might as well lock pick it. Yeah, I think pin 2 is the standard pin that's in here. So hit it and dropped into a false set. And these Schlage cores generally will have 4 spools in them and 1 standard pin as far as drivers go. So if you hit the standard pin, you drop into a false set, even if you only pick that 1 pin. We're back into a false set, and then lost it. And we're back into a false set here, so it should be almost open now. So we're picked open. Just pull this out of here. And we'll go ahead and repin it. And then already laid the pins out for this key here, and then I put it in upside down, and that's a work call. 1 second here. Alright, sorry about that. It's somebody who she said she dropped her Jaguar car key fob and now her Jaguar won't start, and I unlock cars but I don't mess with the rest of it, so I just referred her to somebody else. So 11:30 at night if anybody's curious. I actually just got back from a call before I started doing this. We did a motorhome lockout. So anyway, it's all picked open, rekeyed here, and just put it back together. We'll stick the detent spring in, detent, and recap. And then if I ever needed this, it'll be ready. Just have to swap whatever tail piece is on the lock. Don't need these too often. So I don't really drill these. Usually just pick them. But sometimes you see these old locks called Schlage Plus that's discontinued and can't get setup keys to rekey them. So I just swap the cylinders. So it's nice to have. Nice to have some. So anyway, that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.